बच्चों, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, last week we learned on lesson. Last class we learned on lesson Gopal Das new lesson, right? Have you read that lesson? It's little interesting, right? What is going to happen? We are eager to know, right? So, what is the lesson? That Raja Krishnachandra getting an order from Nawab that he has to measure the length and width of the earth and also the number of stars in the sky, isn't it? So that time Gopal Das is coming and telling that I will do it, you don't want to worry, like that he is telling. And after that what he is telling we will see. Page number 69. Listen carefully, my dear kids, and up of it write today's date 12/2/2021 शुक्रवार. देन आप तो बस नवाब साहब को यह कहलवा दें कि मुझे 1 साल की मोहलत इनायत करें, और हाँ, काम पूरा करने के लिए 10 लाख रुपए फ़ी. व्हाट ही इज़ टेलिंग टू राजा कृष्णचंद्र चैन, यू टेल टू नवाब साहिब, कहलवा मीन्स से. Write the meanings on the up of it while how ma'am has written. For you people only I have written with pen. Don't write with pen on the textbook. Write with pencil only. Okay, my dear kids. If I am writing with pencil, you won't be visible. So that only I have written with the pen. कहलवा means say. So मुझे 1 साल की मोहलत इनायत करें. I need 1 year grace time. I need 1 year. So to finish that one, so you say to Nawab Sahab to give me 1 year. And also काम पूरा करने के लिए 10 लाख रुपए फ़ी. I need, after finishing, I need 10 lakh rupees also. I need 10 lakh rupees. 1 साल के बाद मैं उन्हें पृथ्वी की माप और तारों की संख्या सही सही बता दूंगा. After 1 year, I will say the correct number of stars and also the measurement of earth. I will say the correct answer for him. महाराज ने राहत की सांस ली. He got relief. The Maharaj got relief and he took deep breath of relief. गोपाल दास के कहे अनुसार उन्होंने नवाब को संदेशा भिजवा दिया. How Gopal Das has told like that he sent message to Nawab. So what Gopal Das told her, he need 1 year to finish the work. After finishing he need 10 lakh rupees also. So for that then after that I will go and give the correct measurement of earth and also the number of stars in the sky. साल पर गोपाल दास बड़े ठाठ से रहे. Oh yeah, that 10 lakh rupees not after finishing also, for finishing the work also he asked 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so before finishing he needs 10 lakh rupees. So that also he told. So he got 10 lakh rupees. Then साल पर गोपाल दास बड़े टाट से रहे. टाट से रहना मीन्स लिव वेल. ही लिव वेल फॉर 1 year. 10 लाख से उसने सारी ऐशो आराम की चीज़ें खरीदी. ही brought so many luxury items for with that 10 lakh rupees. With that 10 lakh rupees he brought so many luxury items and all, and also he lived well. अब उसके पास किसी भी चीज़ की कमी नहीं थी. Now he don't have anything to, he don't want to ask to anything else. He became so rich because he got 10 lakh rupees, right? So after getting 10 lakh rupees, how it will be? So we thought that he will buy something and all, but he was living luxuriously, right? Then उसने ठीक 1 साल बाद गोपाल नवाब के महल की ओर बढ़ चला. Then after 1 year, correctly after 1 year, Gopal went to the नवाब साहिब बिल्डिंग. देर उसके पीछे बैक ऑफ हिम हु इज़ कमिंग 15 बैलगाड़ियाँ थी. बैलगाड़ियाँ बुल्लक कार्ट्स. 15 बैलगाड़ियाँ, 15 बुल्लक कार्ट्स वॉज देयर. बैलगाड़ियाँ कटे फटे कुचले. कटे फटे मीन्स म्यूटिलेटेड एंड क्रश्ड. उलचे रेशमी दागों से ऊपर तक लदी हुई थी. इट वॉज लॉडेड विथ वॉट? क्रश्ड टैंगल्ड सिल्क थ्रेड्स. Silk threads was there. So many silk threads were loaded on that bullock carts. लदी हुई है loaded. सबसे आखिर में थी 5 मोटी ताज़ी फेड़ें. Then after at the end what it was? 5 fat sheeps, very fat and stout sheeps was there. So 15 बैलगाड़ियाँ, 15 bullock carts. In that so much what silk threads was loaded, and also at the end of it 5 fat sheep also. इस अनोखे काफिले के साथ वह नवाब के दरबार में पहुंच गया. With this strange conveyance and all, he reached that Nawab Sahib's building. नवाब को सलाम करने के बाद वह कहने लगा. आफ्टर ग्रीटिंग नवाब साहिब, ही इज टेलिंग, सरकार, आपके हुक्म के मुताबिक मैं धरती को इस सिरे से उस सिरे तक और ऊपर से नीचे तक नाप पाया हूँ. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ऑर्डर, आई हैव मेजर्ड द earth's measurement from this tip to that tip, and also from up to down. साथ ही आकाश के तारे भी गिन लिए हैं. With that, I have counted the measurement of stars also. So Nawab ko, after greeting Nawab Sahib, what that Gopal Das is telling, आपके हुक्म के मुताबिक according to हुक्म order, according to your order, I have measured the earth's measurement from this tip to that tip and also from up to down. And साथ ही with that, I have counted the number of stars in the sky also. He is telling how he has counted the number of stars and how he had measured the length and width of the earth. Let's see. शाबाश, बताओ मुझे सही आंकड़े बताओ. Correct. Oh, he is very good, wonderful. You have measured, very good. Say the statistics, say the measures and all, say the what and all, how, say the calculations, statistics calculations, how you say the calculations. आंकड़ों की बात तो नहीं हुई थी ना दादा. I didn't want to calculate anything. I didn't want to statistic anything. मैंने तो वही किया जिसका आपने हुक्म फरमाया था. Whatever you told, whatever you ordered, that only I have done. मैंने तो वही किया जिसका आपने हुक्म फरमाया था. What you ordered, that much only I have done. पृथ्वी की चौड़ाई अगली 7 गाड़ियों में फरे दागों के बराबर है. Then what he is telling, the width of the earth is the first 7 bullock carts is there na. In that, how much threads are there? That is equal to, listen carefully my dear kids, first 7 bullock carts having how much threads are there, silk threads are there. So is the how much thread, the length of that thread is equal to the length of width of the earth, like that he is telling. So how much length is the silk threads which is there in the 7 bullock carts, that is equal to the width of the earth. Then पृथ्वी की लंबाई means length of the earth, 8 गाड़ियों के, from next 15 bullock carts were there, so 7 over, then rest 8 is there. So that 8 bullock carts having the thread now, that thread's length how much it is there, that is only the length of the earth. How much length is the thread having in the rest 8 bullock carts, that length is same to the length of the earth. Then also इन 5 फेड़ों के शरीर पर जितने बाल हैं ठीक उतने ही आकाश में तारे हैं. Then these 5 sheep were there na, 5 sheep, I brought that fat sheep. Then how much hair is there in the sheep's body, that much stars is there on the sky. See how cunningly, how cleverly he has answered, right? Can we measure the length of the thread, full bullock carts loaded thread, can we measure it? It's very difficult to measure, right? And also we can't count the hair of the sheep, right? So because of that only he is telling that this is the measurement. So by hearing that, Nawab, what he is telling, नवाब ने कहा, नामुमकिन, इम्पॉसिबल, मैं इन दागों की लंबाई मालूम नहीं कर सकता. आई कैंट मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ दिस थ्रेड एंड ऑल, और ना ही इन फेड़ों के बाल गिने जा सकता हूँ. आई कैंट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ द हेयर्स इन दिस शीप्स. फिर भी तुमने अपना कौल पूरा किया. देन इवन यू हैव डन द वर्ड व्हाट यू हैव टोल्ड. यह रहे इनाम के रूप में तुम्हारे 10 लाख रुपए. You keep this one, this is 10 lakh rupees as your price, because you have told the cleverly answer. So I know that now, I understood that I can't count. This is the because we can't count how many stars are there in the sky, and also how much width is the length and width of the earth also we can't measure, right? So cleverly Gopal Das has told that first 7 bullock carts, how much thread is having, that much is the width of the earth, and rest the 8 bullock carts having how much thread, that is the length of the earth, and also how many hair is there in the sheep's body, that is the number of stars in the sky. Nice, na? Nice answer he has given, right? So is it interesting, my dear kids? Have you understand anything? So whatever problems come, if we are facing it with cleverly, we can really solve that problems, right? From this lesson we learned that only. By seeing the problem itself, this Raja Krishnachandra, how he was sitting, right? He was very sad and he couldn't get any answer, any solution for that. But this clever Gopal Das has come and he had finished that by doing his cleverness and all, isn't it? So we have to think, whatever problems come, we have to use our brain. We can't do like that. We should not give up. We should come forward, isn't it? We should come forward. We can also do like that. We should come forward, and we have to think and do something, isn't it, my dear kids? Read the lesson, okay? Read the lesson, my dear kids. Read it, record it and send it to me. No one is recording and sending. 1 or 2 people only responding always, my dear kids. So please do, my dear kids, whatever ma'am is telling. So we finished this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting, or you can call me or text me. Any words, meaning write all the words what it is given, ma'am has given in the textbook, that also you copy it, my dear kids. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.